Hey everyone, what's going on? Greg here again from Team Blast. I've been seeing a lot of reports of late for people who are not getting their web pages indexed by Google. So I hope this video will help. So to start, I'm in Google Search Console. I put in my Google My Business Optimization Services, a new page that I just created only a few days ago, and it's confirmed that it's indexed by Google. That's great. Being indexed allows me not to be in play. Of course, I have to work on the SEO now to rank for this particular keyword phrase, but that's a whole different video. So obviously, for you, you want to put in your URL over here. I'll do another one like Bing site indexing. You want to retrieve this data, and it's going to say URL is on Google. That's great. This page is indexed. Another way you can test is go into Google itself, put in the URL command, and then paste in your URL. You want to see if it's indexed in Google. If I scroll down over here, it's that Google My Business Optimization Service. It's indexed. This is all good. But let's pretend though that you created this page on your website. It's just not indexed, and you're like, okay, I've done the Google Search Console test, and it keeps coming up as maybe discovered but not crawled, or crawled but not indexed, or any type of error message. What can you do next? So to start, use your drop down navigation, and you want to give Googlebot a clear path. So I have my Google My Business Optimization Service. It links out from my hourly SEO. So it's nested. So when Googlebot will crawl through my entire site, they come to my robots.txt file, and then they go to the homepage, and then they keep crawling through. I'm giving Google a clear path specifically now to this to my service page. That's step one. So if you're having a hard time getting indexed on Google, put in your drop down nav. That might make the difference. Let's say that does not work though. Step two, what you can do, you want to go to your homepage, and you want to again create that path for Google to follow. So what I did here was I didn't specifically put the link to the Google My Business service page on here, but I did link out to the hourly SEO consulting. So as I explained before, my Google My Business optimization stems off from the hourly SEO. I knew that the hourly SEO was already indexed on Google. So what I did was I created the link to it on my homepage, because that page gets crawled pretty often by Google. And then Google, since I put the link up so high onto the HTML content, Google then follow the path, and then they index the content. All right, so that's step two, put it on the homepage or a page that's already indexed, link out to that. What else can we do? So the next thing I always recommend is go to your Google Rich Results test. So you want to click on this result over here, and let's put in this specific page and see what Google knows about this page over here. So copy this, go into the rich results, hit enter, test URL. And really what I'm looking to see is, is there any errors that Google has? Now, of course, they're not going to have any errors because this page is indexed, but let's just pretend that, you're doing this test on your own. You want to see what Google can understand as they crawl through your website and any problems. So for me, this page passed everything, 25 valid items detected. You can see it was crawled specifically at 2:48. That's my time. It's June 10th. They can see the breadcrumbs, the organization, review snippets, etc. Here is the next tip. So obviously you can use the rich results test, and you're saying, okay, like I have this, and there's no real egregious errors with the page. What can I do next? So if you scroll down over here, I have this video that's on my page. Googlebot can't read an iframe with a video, and probably Bingbot can't either. So what I recommend doing is, if you're having a hard time getting this content index, you want to create video schema markup for this. It's going to be a readable file for Google. So if I go back into the URL inspection over here, it says nothing for video indexing, but do you see in the bottom over here, it says one valid item detected? It's the video. And you can see exactly that it's crawled, and the detected items was the name of the page. I could see the metadata, the description, all that stuff. Given a video schema markup can really help Google understand, say, okay, this is a high quality page. I can see the content. I can also see the video rich results directly in there as well. I'm going to probably index that. So if you go back into the rich results test, it's the same thing. It's the same Google Search Console report. They'll show me exactly what they can and they can't read as they go through my page. Okay, and then last but not least, let's say you're really struggling with indexing your content. Use your Google My Business profile, or use social media like Facebook or YouTube or anything else like that, and create links back to your page that's currently not indexed. So what you can do is you can go down to the updated section over here, and you can create updates for your particular service. You can create a product carousel over here to link out to your Google My Business account. You can create services. You can create question and answers where you can answer your question directly. Do you offer the service, and put the link in there. Um, I think it's really important to give Google enough paths so they can see that you offer this particular service. So when they crawl other sites and they link back to your main page, Google can be able to index the content. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful. Again, so you go into your index pages report. I can see over here that Google has indexed this on June 5th. Again, I created this page just a few days ago. I can confirm that everything here is indexed when I go into the URL inspection tab. And of course, you have to work on your SEO now to, rank better for, different keywords and get more impressions and get more clicks, and then hopefully get put in the answer box as well, and the AI answer box too. So there's a lot that, needs to happen now once you get indexed. But the first step though is that you have to get your web pages indexed. If you're having any problems, feel free to drop a comment or to reach out to me directly. Happy to take a look at both Google indexing and also Bing as well. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one.